Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this session, we are going to see how to implement fuzzy search or fuzzy search using .NET Framework Core and Entity Framework Core. I already created few sessions about Entity Framework Core like in-memory database, migration of in-memory database to SQL Server, and tracking the data changes. If you want to you can I will give the link on the video description. You can check it out. So today we are going to see about fuzzy search. Guys, before starting the session, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification. And if you ended up liking my video, give me a like and share this video with your friend. It will encourage me a lot. Thank you. Let's get started. So what is fuzzy search or fuzzy search? A fuzzy search searches for the text that matches a term closely instead of exactly, like the sound, right? So if somebody want to uh, call Amitabh or Leslie a Laslie, it will catch that particular term. So fuzzy search helps find relevant result even when the search term is misspelled. To perform fuzzy search, append the tide at the end of the search in HTML. But in SQL Server, we have a method called SOUNDEX. Let's see the SOUNDEX function, how it is work. Let's go to SQL Server and see. So if you are following my channel and if you are following my previous 3 sessions, which I strongly recommend you do, we created this product DB and this product table, which is system version, means we are migrated in memory to our SQL Server, and we have added this kind of data. So if somebody will search like this, it will work. Or if somebody can search like wildcard operator, which is like this also, it will work. But what if somebody will search like this? Will it work? Like this, will it work? Or even small also, will it work? No. So for that, SQL Server provide a inbuilt function which is called SOUNDEX. So which is SOUNDEX. So this is the inbuilt function through which we can perform the fuzzies or fuzzy search. So you can see now it is coming like this, just like Google. So if I am searching desktop, so it is showing to me result of desktop, right? So a SQL Server also provide a function called SOUNDEX. So how we implement this function inside our entity framework core? So we have created this particular demo where we have put product, post product and get product list. So I'm going to add one more API here, which is get product list like, and it will accept a product name, right? But so here I can write where like this. But how will perform this SOUNDEX operation? So let's see how we do. So for this I am choosing my database context. So here I am adding a particular function or method, you can say. So public string for search, it will take a query and it will, I'm not implementing this one. So like this, but it will be a db function. So I'm giving a db function. So name is, so I'm giving SOUNDEX, comma, is built in, I'm giving true, right? Now I am now putting this particular db context or to product controller. Here I am keeping like this underscore db context dot fuzzy search, like, so I put like this. So I created a function or method because it is running a string, but it is showing not implemented. It is a db function which is SOUNDEX, which is same as my SQL server SOUNDEX. Okay, and it is asserting a query. I am now searching through that particular record. Now let's hit run the API and hit this API to check particular it is working or not. It will take few seconds to run. Guys, sometimes it take so many effort to create a particular video like this. Please do like and please subscribe. Give me your comment and suggestion what you want to see from my channel so I can get on this. Okay, our API got run. So here try it out. So you can see product name. So if I am giving desktop here, so let's see. Okay, it's working. So let's give desktop. It also working, right? Let's see something desk. Nothing is there because it does not sound like desktop. So if I give one more value, so let's see what are in my things. So if I give mouse, let's go to, so it will return the value, right? Because mouse also sometimes it sound like MS Office. So I'm giving office instead of office, like it is not taking from here. So let's see, check with keyboard. It's checking, but let's say I spell little bit wrong. It also checking, right? So in this way we can implement fuzzy search in our entity framework code. Guys, if you like this session, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.